Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Today we are on day 18 of the 24 days of Christmas Secret Santa swap. And today I am sharing, I am gifting some of this trim or ribbon and some of this marigold bows from Crepe Paper Makaz Home. Sorry for the glare. So this is what I'm gifting on day 18. So hope you're having fun opening all your gifts. Hope you guys are having fun watching. I think this is like the second, third year maybe. It may be more that ScrappyTate is doing this. So maybe next year if you guys are interested, watch for her. So go join her channel so you know when she does it again. I will leave her link in the description box below. If you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider sharing it with a crafty friend. If you're new here, welcome. Returning visitors, aloha. Thank you for coming back. And until my next video, shakas.